Welcome to our video on inheriting a dilapidated house and the critical considerations to keep in mind. Today, we will guide you through the essential steps you must take to decide the best course of action for your newly acquired property. Today's video will cover key areas like establishing ownership, assessing the property's value and condition, financial considerations, future options for the property, and finally, professional recommendations to guide your decision-making process. To establish ownership of the inherited property, you need to start by determining if there is a will. If there is no will, you will need to initiate an intestate probate process. This legal step is crucial, as it officially transfers the property's ownership into your name. You might also need to gather hospital records to obtain the deceased's social security number for the death certificate. Keep in mind that probate attorney fees can range from $500 to $1,000 depending on your location. Once ownership is established, the next vital step is assessing the property. You should obtain a professional appraisal to understand the property's current market value comprehensively. Beware that online estimates like those from Zillow can often be inaccurate. You'll also want to get quotes from contractors, which will help you understand the repair costs associated with bringing the property up to standard. Evaluating financial implications is crucial when inheriting a property. One important aspect is capital gains tax, which can significantly affect your finances. Luckily, inheriting often provides a step-up basis, which means if you decide to sell shortly after inheriting, you may eliminate capital gains taxes. This could save you a substantial amount of money. Once the initial assessment is done, it's time to decide on the property's future. You have options like turning it into a rental property. But owning a rental far from your home can be challenging. You'll need to hire property managers, deal with contractors, and manage issues remotely. On the other hand, selling the property as is can remove the hassle and expense of renovations, making this a viable option if the property needs extensive repairs. Consulting a realtor will give you insights into the local market and help you determine the best strategy. We recommend consulting with professionals like a real estate agent and a contractor, as they can provide valuable insight and advice on how you should proceed. Align your decision with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Also, it might be best to avoid being a long-distance landlord if you live far from the property. Let's test your understanding. Here's the question. What is a major benefit of selling an inherited property shortly after inheriting it? Is it A, avoiding capital gains taxes? B, increasing property value? C, reducing mortgage costs? Or D, saving on property insurance? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is avoiding capital gains taxes. This is because inheriting a property often provides a step-up basis, which can eliminate capital gains taxes if the property is sold shortly after inheritance. Let's summarize what we have covered. To make informed decisions when inheriting a dilapidated property, you must first establish ownership to officially transfer the property to your name. Next, it is crucial to assess the property's value and potential repair costs with professionals. Financial implications, such as potential capital gains taxes, should be considered carefully. Decide whether you wish to rent or sell based on your personal and financial goals. Lastly, consulting with industry professionals like real estate agents and contractors will provide you with additional insights and guidance. Thank you for watching our video on inheriting a dilapidated house and the steps to making informed decisions. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.